up, guys? We're out here at a pond that I know. Gonna try to get some fishing done. It was a little windy earlier. It ain't bad now. But I've come out here maybe almost a week ago now. And there's a bunch of little ones. I had one like decent sized one, but he got off. So we're gonna go try it out. There's a little bass right here swimming around. Anyway, so this place is at a church. I think it's public. Not really sure, so could be getting kicked out, but I guess we'll find out. All right, see if we can get one here. It's actually pretty warm today. Oh, there was one. He's in a little Ned rig. We're gonna move down over here on this corner. Like I was saying, last time I was here, I caught quite a bit, but they were all next to that island right there. And it was like right after it rained. So I have not got to try over here on this side yet. Ooh, look at that bass right there. He was a little bit bigger. I don't know if you guys can see him. Oh, he's still up here. Oh, that sun is bright. I know I should have brought sunglasses. We're gonna use the baby bull shad. See if we can get anything with it. Look at this. Amazing, right? Oh my God. Yes, I am actually trying to fish like this. Instead of using the lures like I normally use, as you've seen, that one's no good now. So we are gonna use the Abu Garcia. So haven't really used it in a good minute, so I guess we'll try it. Right now this has a top water. It's a frog. I think it's the toad runner, but that's just what was on there, so that's what I'm gonna throw for right now. Oh, come on. Oh, God. We are using the weightless Senko again. Just seen some movement over there. Hopefully I'll get something. Oh, come on. I keep seeing one move around right here behind the camera. Oh, there he is. Oh, come on. All right. Oh. Well, scared one off. Okay. There's one. Not too bad on one. He's pretty small, but at least we're catching him. Or one, anyway. It looks pretty shallow, all right here. It was just right there. All right, kind of limited on time, so I'm trying to make my way around the pond as fast as I can, because we got about probably 30 minutes till it's dark. So this looks like a good place. I just don't want to mess with the geese either. Say the geese are back there on the little island, but we'll try right here for a minute. All right, the geese seem like they're getting kind of agitated, so I'll just walk back around this way, go a little bit farther. Oh, what incarnation? Oh, there. Oh my God. Alright, well, here's another one. One's a little bit bigger. Alright, we're gonna move over there where it looks like they used to have like a little bridge. See if we can't get anything over there. And of course, there's more fish moving back there. Alright. Anyway, I heard there was some big fish in here, but I heard also that it's not public, but I haven't got kicked out yet, so. And there's been people here both times that I've been here, so. Of course this geese comes up over here. Little bitty dude. Look how dark this one is. This one's like very dark. All right, guys, so phone died. Imagine that. As you can tell, I'm not prepared for anything. So anyway, it's already pretty much dark anyway. Like, probably got like 10 minutes left till it's all the way dark. But I caught like one more, and I thought the video was going, but when I looked, the phone was dead. So I don't know if it got that one or not until later when I'm editing. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you. I think tomorrow we're gonna go camping. We might do like a catch and cook or something. So I'll see you then. Peace.